Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing solutions, the Scrubba Wash Bag and the portable washing machine. If you're someone who travels frequently or lives in a small space, choosing the right washing solution is crucial. In this video, we will break down the features, pros, and cons of each product, helping you make an informed decision. When it comes to portability, the Scrubba Wash Bag shines with its lightweight design, weighing only 5.3 ounces. It's perfect for travelers who need to pack light. In contrast, the portable washing machine weighs 4.6 pounds, making it less ideal for backpacking, but it still offers a compact design that fits well in small living spaces. In terms of capacity, the Scrubba Wash Bag is designed for small loads, making it suitable for items like t-shirts and underwear. On the other hand, the portable washing machine boasts a 15L capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads, including baby clothes and delicates, making it a more versatile option for home use. When it comes to ease of use, the Scrubba Wash Bag requires manual operation, which may take more effort compared to traditional machines. However, it is straightforward and doesn't require electricity. In contrast, the portable washing machine offers electric operation, making it easier to use, especially for those who prefer a hands-off approach to laundry. In conclusion, both the Scrubba Wash Bag and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The Scrubba is perfect for those who prioritize portability and simplicity, while the portable washing machine is ideal for users who need a more powerful solution for larger loads. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.